It's been a very action-heavy street for the day for the street rather. You have some moves coming in on the positive side for the Nifty, no doubt, because we've seen some positive momentum, but all of that has simmered down once again as we speak, because now we're struggling to hold on to the 23,400 mark too. It's been a sharp correction of about 80 to 90 points in the last 10 minutes on the street, so that kind of pressure is something that's already building in. Nifty Bank has also slipped into the negative now. At one point of the day, it was trading with gains of about 0.7%, so almost 1% of a cut coming in on Nifty Bank. We're now holding on to the 53,400 mark. You have the broader end of the market that continues to do well. The small cap index is higher by about 0.3, mid cap doing slightly better, 0.7% of an uptick coming in over there. The India VIX is controlled in today's trading session, not that much of a flare up coming in over there. But if I take a look at what's happening sectorally, you have metals that are shining bright, 3.25% uptick coming in over there. Some of the gas stocks like GMDC, Coal India, all of them have done well on the back of the coal gasification scheme that the cabinet has now approved to the tune of 37,500 crore rupees. So that's an ET now exclusive confirmed. Names from the defense basket have done well. You have something like an MTAR Tech on the back of hiked guidance that has done well. Midhani, Data Patterns, Mascon Doc, all of them have done really well, as has been the case with Nifty. Oil and gas, because you did have word coming in from the RBI governor that if the case continues to be the way it is on the geopolitical front, fuel hikes could be on the cards, and on the back of that, HPCL, BPCL, IOC, all of them have done really well in trade today. HPCL, of course, also on the back of very solid set of numbers. It was energy, FMCG, pharma, PSU banks that have done well. PSU banks absolutely flat rather, with some pressure on autos, banks, media and realty. The biggest loser in trade continues to be Nifty IT, where pressure continues to build on something like a Coforge, LTM, Infosys and some more names from that pack. Now let's talk about the entire jewelry basket. You've had names like Titan, Kalyan, Senco that have been affected on the back of the custom duty on gold and silver being hiked. So that's the reason why the jewelry stocks are in pressure. On the flip side, this has borne really well for some of the gold loan financiers like a Manappuram and Muthoot that have done really well in trade. Some more earnings reactions that's keeping the street afloat. You've got good numbers coming in from Dixon Tech, so that's a stock that's done well. Pine Labs and Fractal Analytics, both of these stocks have been under immense pressure on the back of their lock-ins opening. That is what has kept the street occupied all throughout the day, and that's the basket of stocks to watch out for. Lastly, from the broader end of the market, it's names like SAIL, Vodafone Idea, IFCI, Vedanta, NLC, Nisho that are seeing gains between 6 and 14%. On the flip side, Pine Labs on the back of that lock-in. But you do have Torrent Power, eClerx, Cohance, Sun TV, Birla Soft and Credit Access all seeing cuts between 4 and 9% respectively. That is the breadth of the market, and that is how the trading day has panned out. Just to sum it up, we've ended around that 23,430 level for the Nifty, 0.2% higher. But with that, we're completely timed out on this edition of Closing Trades. From Harshmi and the team that put this show together, thank you so much for tuning in.